everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to repair or replace the threshold for your laminate flooring. Now, the best thing that I can tell you is to go ahead and replace the threshold, especially if you're using a seaming strip. The seaming strips are very hard to be able to pull out and then put back without damaging them. For this job, we'll be using a hammer, a new seaming strip, and nails. The first thing we need to do is take out that old seaming strip. So we'll take our hammer, go right in between the two nails, and pry up. After you get the seaming strip up, if your nails are still in there, go ahead and pull those. We'll just work our way down through the seaming strip, repeating this process. After you're done pulling out your old seaming strip, take your new one, and you kind of want to position it to where the angle is going to the lower end of the floor. So then we'll put the seaming strip in place, take one of our nails, and drive it in. We want to leave it sticking out just a little bit, that way we can move the seaming strip where we need it to go. Now we'll skip some of the holes and go to the other end. Make sure that we're running nice and straight, and go ahead and nail this one in. Then we'll go through and fill and rest the holes. After you're all done, go through and make sure that you push down on the seaming strip and none of the nails are popping up a little bit. If they are, just drive them in a little bit further. It's important to protect those two areas, especially through a doorway. That way the two floors don't end up getting chewed up right there where they join together, and you're going to have to end up replacing that if that happens. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.